Instagram is different on the laptop or the desktop versus Instagram on mobile devices. On the laptop, you don't actually have the option for audio. Well, maybe in the future they will, but they don't have it right now. And there are actually very limited things you can do with the laptop. As you can see there's some things you can put in, but compared to the mobile, there's really not that much. Your best option is really to do things on the mobile device, not your laptop or your desktop. Now, I will show you how much different the mobile device is versus your laptop. Here's my old iPhone XR, and I'm going through the steps to get to the reel I'm gonna choose. I can actually pick music here, trending, whatever type of music you want. I could change the speed of it. It's pretty cool. Then I can type in my topic or whatever I want to call it. And there's actually more options here than on the desktop. So that's about it.